How do I set up Zelle to send money to a credit union?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to walk through how to set up Zelle to send money to a credit union. Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send and receive money with friends, family, and others you trust. So, let's get started.
What is Zelle?
Zelle is a digital payments network owned by several top U.S. banks. It's built directly into your online banking app, which makes it extremely convenient to send and receive money. You just need an email address or a mobile phone number to start sending money with Zelle.
Is your credit union Zelle-ready?
Before you begin, ensure that your credit union is a Zelle partner. You can find this out by checking Zelle's partner list on their website or by contacting your credit union directly. If your credit union is not listed, don't worry. You can still use Zelle by signing up through the Zelle app.
How to set up Zelle?
Setting up Zelle is quite simple. 1. Open your bank's app on your mobile phone. 2. Look for Send Money with Zelle in the Transfer or Pay menu. 3. Enroll your U.S. mobile number or email address. 4. You'll receive a verification code to confirm your identity. Note, if your bank or credit union is not a Zelle partner, download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play and enroll using your Visa or MasterCard debit card linked to a U.S. checking account.
How to send money via Zelle?
Once you've set up Zelle, sending money is just as easy. 1. Open your bank's app on your mobile phone. 2. Go to the Send Money with Zelle section. 3. Enter the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile number. 4. Enter the amount you want to send. 5. Review and confirm your transaction. And that's it. The money will move directly from your bank account to the recipient's bank account, typically in a few minutes. So, that's how you set up and use Zelle to send money to a credit union. Remember, it's important to only send money to people you trust, and always double-check that you've entered the correct information. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy sending!